Hello fellow YouTubers, how y'all are? WileyZ in the shop. Well, I'm working on this project right here. I've been putting it off as long as I can put it off. I need this for other projects I'm working on. And it's going to be a vertical, horizontal bandsaw. You know, there's 100 videos out there on the YouTube about them, but this one's a little bit different. WileyZ here, continuing on with the portable bandsaw frame. I got this at a scrapyard. These metal pieces right here used to be part of some sort of tool stand. Up and cut it to up to use for what I needed to use for, and we'll see how all this works out. I'm chopping out the center section to see if I can get it to fit around the Harbor Freight portable bandsaw, and do all this with my pattern, and then start transferring when I get the final product onto my 4-inch piece of 1/8-inch plate. It's held normally by the handles with U-bolts. So we'll just see how all this pans out. I'm nibbling away at this 1/8 inch. I have several designs in my head and I keep changing it a little bit, but that's how it works. So we'll see how it all pans out. Well, I'm getting a better idea of how I want to build this. I don't want to be too far from the edge of the steel table when I'm working, when I have it in the vertical position. I don't want it too far back when I'm using it as a horizontal chop saw. So I'm getting it leveled out and pretty much getting it the way I want it. And so once I got all that squared away, then I'll start tacking things in place and making sure they stay in level and go from there. Well, here it is, welded up, and I put a little paint on the wells. I'm not going overboard on this. This is all experimental. And I know nobody wants to watch an old man weld with a flux core wire welder. Nope, ain't happening. Just welded and ground and welded some more. But there you have it. It's holding, so it's all good. This is a portable bandsaw stand. I've decided to use this shaft size here and make it fixed on one end and pinned on the other end. It'll make it easy just to pull it out and release this from the stand. I guess we ought to start building a tabletop for this portable bandsaw stand, and that about 2 dozen other things. I best get started.